Every day there is something being launched about AI. Either it's another chat solution or another autonomous AI task agent. And after DeepSeek, there is one tool that took my attention, which is Manus AI. I need to be honest, I'm really impressed about the outcome. I'll share a real example how I use that tool. But before going to that, Manus is not another AI chat solution. It's not like ChatGPT or DeepSeek. It's more like your AI executive assistant. Its core value is autonomous actions, but to complete the tasks, you still use the chat interface and create some dialogues. If you want to use AI for general use like productivity or creativity, you better try ChatGPT. If your work environment is built on top of Google products, Gemini may be a better solution for you. If you work a lot with long-form content or document processing, Claude AI is a better fit. And if you want to run coding-related tasks or solve logic-related problems, then DeepSeek is your tool. You can use Manus AI, on the other hand, as your project manager or virtual assistant. It can handle multitask workflows autonomously and share structured outcomes like pitch decks or dashboards or detailed documents. Now I will share just one single example. As the owner of a digital marketing agency, we run SEO audits and optimization projects. I wanted to try Manus for one of those tasks, and I asked Manus to run an SEO audit for one of my partners' websites and share detailed action items about the improvement areas. To be honest, the process took too long. It completed the whole task in 20 or 30 minutes, much longer than I expected. Also, the tool got stuck on the mobile friendliness tab. Manus couldn't complete the CAPTCHA and got stuck at that stage. So I asked the tool to proceed without the mobile friendliness part and complete the analysis. However, I'm still impressed with the end result because it shared a detailed audit custom to that specific website. I had details about the areas of improvements on the technical side, content SEO, backlinks and authority, and also the performance metrics. At the end of the analysis, I had the high priority, mid priority, and low priority action items to improve the search engine scores for my partner's website. I gave the same prompt, exactly the same prompt to ChatGPT and DeepSeek and wanted to see how they will respond to that. ChatGPT was not able to crawl the website and the outcome, the answer was too general. On the other hand, DeepSeek worked specifically for that website, but the outcome and the suggestions were totally irrelevant. Although the website has SSL certificate present and active, DeepSeek shared that SSL is missing. Even only because of that, I cannot rely on the other suggestions that DeepSeek shared. I can clearly say that I was not satisfied with either of the tools. Do I think Manus can replace SEO experts or SEO agency? Definitely not, especially not now. But is it promising for the future? 100%. SEO audit was just one example. I tried Manus, but I'm using it in too many other areas in digital marketing. One being user interface and user experience, UI UX audit for a website, for example. I also see a big opportunity for startups. As a startup founder myself, I feel the pain points of being a startup founder. And I know how it feels to have very limited resources, very limited budget, very limited people in your team, and try to create some miracles. And I clearly see that it's never been so easy to try new ideas and test them on the target audience. I see some people are even having a new website built by Manus. It seems really promising, and I can't imagine what we will be able to do with AI in 1 year's time. It will be so wise to integrate all these AI solutions into your company or into your business life as early as possible. The ones who are too late in this integration and adaptation will have severe problems with competition and will have difficulties with surviving. By the way, this channel is very new, and if you can share if you find it useful or what type of content you want to see here, please write down in the comments. I'll try my best to create content that's useful for you, for your daily life, for your business life especially. And if you subscribe to the channel or like the videos or share the content with your colleagues or friends, that will be an amazing signal to YouTube and will help me a lot to grow this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Manus AI is your SEO mate. It fixes your site while you stay up late. It finds bad links and titles too long, says, cut the fluff, let's make it strong. It boosts your rank with digital charm. No stress, no sweat, no SEO harm. So let it work while you chill with glee. Manus does the job almost too easily.